$1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $8,000.
Guys, use my personal promo code CASH50 and get additional 50% to your initial deposit of at least $150. Just imagine you can invest $1,000 and get $1,500 above your deposit. Do this right now and let's fuck this market.
Guys, welcome back to my cool YouTube channel, and for those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market, and if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Okay, my friends, so today, as always, I am using only a short time period of just 1 minute, and I am investing my whole deposit in each trade so that we can save our time and enlarge our deposit as fast as possible. By the way, I'm using only 3 indicators today: CCI, MACD, and Keltner channel indicator. So now I'm thinking about the first trade. Just give me some time for that. I will choose the best entry point. Now we are trading EUR/USD currency pair. Okay, so we are standing on the middle line of the Keltner channel. As you can see, price sellers don't have enough power to break through the middle line, and we are opening buy position from the bottom of the Keltner channel. They did it finally. They have broken through the middle line, touched the bottom of the Keltner channel, and after this price will start to go up, I guess. As you can see, we did a very strong and impulse touch of the bottom of the channel, and after this price immediately has shown the pullback reaction from it. Now I guess we will show the bullish consumption and continuation of the current growth. Okay, my friends, that's it. The first trade was profitable one. We have around $573 on the account. That's a good start. Now let's continue. Let's change our investment to $573 and think about the next trade. Let's check USD BDT currency pair. Fine, so what can we find here? Price has reached a strong level of resistance, after which we're receiving the pullback reaction. I have opened sell position according to the current movement. I expect the short-term downgoing correction from that zone, and price starts showing us quite good downgoing reaction. Okay, my friends, that's it. We have around $1,000. That's quite good. That's quite nice. Okay, guys, what else? Just give me some time for analyzing. Okay, so here we're opening sell position. We have invested $1,000, expecting the pullback reaction from the upper edge of the Keltner channel. As you can see, price has reached the upper edge of the channel, and now I guess price will highly likely drop from that zone. Let's see whether I'm right. Okay, my friends, one more profitable trade. We have around $2,000 on the account. By the way, friends, while you are watching this video, don't forget to check the description to it, because here you'll find amazing, cool and splendid link for my private TG, in which you will get access to a lot of trading signals, daily analytics, educational materials, and much more stuff that will help you to become a professional trader. Do this right now. Subscribe to my private TG, link in bio. Okay, my friends, we have opened one more sell position according to the current order. Price has reached a strong level of resistance, which is near upper edge of the Keltner channel. From that zone, I expect the pullback reaction, which price is going to show us right now. Okay, perfectly done, guys. We have around $3,000 on the account. Let's check EUR/USD currency pair. What can we find here? Okay, guys, according to this trade, price has touched several times the resistance, the middle line of the Keltner channel. I expect the breakthrough of this middle line finally. I guess it will be done together with this according to the MACD indicator. Price is now in the buy zone, so let's try to open buy positions. We have invested $2,000 here. I'm sure we will be in profit. So let's see whether I'm right. Okay, my friends, perfectly done. We have around $5,000 on the account. That's really good. Okay, guys, so here, what do we have? Price has reached the middle line of the Keltner channel. Here we have invested $4,000, expecting the pullback reaction from the zone and continuation of the current growth. Okay guys, so that's it. We have around 8,000 bucks, my friends. We turned our $300 into 8,000 bucks. So that's it. So if you want to trade just like me, like a pro trader, like Michael Trader, subscribe to my private TG. You will get all recommendations and all stuff that will help you to achieve the same highs as me. So subscribe to my private TG, link in the description. See you all and bye bye.